How to find download preferences settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find download preferences on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and here just click on your profile, and after that click the settings icon in top corner, and now just click data and storage, and here we'll find it download preferences. Just click on it and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.